Hello there guys, this is Mislav, and in this Linux tutorial we are going to talk about the locate command. Now, this is very useful and I used it relatively frequently myself, although I haven't used the locate command as much as the find command, and we will cover the find command later on. But again, the locate command is also very useful if we are going to be honest with ourselves, okay? So the locate command is used to locate files. So if I want to locate a file, what I would do is I would type locate, and then I would write the string, which is basically a sequence of characters which I want to be present in the path name. And we talked about path names. So path name is, for example, home Mislav is a path name. I need to write a sequence of characters which I want to be present. Okay, so if I wanted to locate anything that has Linux folder within it and I press enter, I will actually find all of the path names which contain the Linux folder within it. Okay, and so basically I have home Mislav Linux folder, home Mislav Linux folder. As you can see, all of these have Linux folder within them. Okay. And basically you can use that to locate certain files. So let's say that you know, for example, that your file has ABC within it, then you would write locate ABC instead of this Linux folder. You would just write locate ABC, and then it would list out all of the path names that contain ABC within them. Okay, so this is pretty much it for this tutorial. Again, I don't want to get into any more details here, although I do want to know that locate uses a database to find files. And what that means is that path names are stored in a database, and then that database is searched for path names matching a string. Okay, so basically there's a database, and then locate searches for the database matching the sequence of characters you provided. Okay, and again, we will talk about the find command, which are used much more frequently than the locate command, but we will talk about it in the upcoming tutorials, or I think probably in the next tutorial we are going to talk about it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the news of this amazing video series, this amazing tutorial series, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Talk soon.